Hey there, Riddle second graders. Welcome to another video art lesson. Today we're going to draw a jet airplane. To do this, I'm starting with a triangle shape, and notice that it is really close to the edge. So pick an edge and draw a small triangle shape. Make it sharp. I am then going to make that shape go a little bit further, and I'm going to make a line and a line, and then I'm going to make it go further. This. Next, I'm going to make the cockpit where the jet pilot can sit inside. It's kind of a shape like so. Next, I'm going to make this shape just keep going. Try to make it straight. Looks like I'm getting crooked. And then I'm going to make a line and a line, and it's going to be that tail right here. It's going to be. I'm going to make this into a shape here. That's that tail rudder, or the shape that sticks up at the top that helps balance the plane. Here's my shape. Looks like it got a little crooked. Now I'm going to try and draw the back. Some wings. I'm going to make a line, making a line, making a line, making a line. It's going to be my back. They're big wings, I mean. Looks like a paper airplane. So I'm going to close those up. There's my wings. Make the back shapes for that. Two little shapes. Just made this shape and that little shape. Just try your best. Next, I'm going to draw, looks like on my drawing here, there's like an oval here. Looks like a hot dog. Got a couple hot dogs on there, right there. Hot dog, hot dog. And then I want to make mine look like it's really screaming fast. So I'm going to put a little shape in the back, and I'm going to make that. I'm going to have fire flying out of it. That little shape on the back right there. Next, I want to put. I'm going to put USA on it, and maybe a star. On the wings, if you know how to draw a star. Actually, when I was in second grade, I learned how to draw the star. The star that you go like this. Go up, down, across, flat, back. I'm not sure if you could even see that. Lighting up, down, across, flat, back. So second grade is when I learned how to do that, because I remember learning. Next, I'm going to start introducing some color. I'm going to use red on the point of mine. Do red on my stripe here. And I'm going to put a stripe here too. Just so I have red here too. Then I'm going to use a lot of grays. Ooh, I should use some blue. Outline a star with blue, with dark blue. Get that red, white, and blue going on here. Could put a stripe here. You could do that. Maybe I'll make this blue. Make this shape blue. And I'm going to use a lot of grays. Color it in gray, kinda. Just try your best. I know I'm coloring or drawing fast. Just try your best. Try it. Okay. Everything will be okay. So now, ooh, that was cool. I'm going to make some fire coming out the back. So I'm going to use some orange. Some red. Maybe some yellow. Throw it on top. Fast jet. Now some sky. How about some sky? Maybe I'll make some clouds. Make some clouds. Got some blue in the sky. There it is. What do you think? Whoa. See how yours looks. I look forward to seeing it. Post it. Maybe I could draw a guy in there. Draw his helmet. Do that. Maybe a steering wheel. There's a seat. Here he goes. I look forward to seeing yours. Post it, share it. Good luck.